Good day, everybody. In today's video, I will do a demo on Cygnet, our insurance management system, and the main functionalities we have in the system. In this video, we will concentrate on travel insurance. In later video, we will be discussing other kind of insurance. To start, Cygnet is a multi-tenancy system designed to work as a software as a service system in SaaS and is currently servicing more than 45 insurance companies. Uh, I will log in into one of the test tenants so we can have our quick demo. As a start, we have our dashboard. The dashboard has a small part which is the section we put some ads, we inform our clients with some new functionalities, and also we have the KPIs where we show the number of contracts created, some comparison with old years, also the claim section and the CRM section. Okay, to create a contract, we go to certificate and travel certificate. Okay, on this page, we'll be able to see the list of certificate already created. We can sure filter by agency group, or by status. Okay, I'm creating a new contract now. As an admin, I have the option to create an agency contract, which also implies that agencies will have their own username and password and they can go into the system and create their own contracts. Inputting the name, the email of the client, the plan. For example, I would say going advanced now. It's a multi-plan system. All the plans can be created through a simple interface and uploading all the pricing and different repartitions for insurance and insurance within the system. Okay, we'll do country of residence. Let's say France. I'll be traveling to United Arab Emirates. We'll pick the date, the number of days, then name. Okay. The minute the system has enough information, we will see that we already have a quotation, and the quotation will get updated as long as I am adding some information or changing. Let's say here, let's say it's 60 days, and now it's $46, for example. Okay. When I'm okay with all of this, I just issue the certificate and the system will create my certificate. I can print it from here. That's an example. For the printout, it's completely uh, adapted to any company with all the logos, with all the assistance needed, and all the coverage per plan. Okay, we have within the system a kind of CRM where we can discuss between different parties on the current contract, and we can send everything by email, which is the certificate, general condition, medical form, and the receipt, and also we can send it by WhatsApp as needed. Okay, this is how we create a quick single contract. Okay, we can also go and create family contracts or group contracts. I will pick anything now. Okay, and here we can create family contract, so we can put the father, the mother, or the kids, or whatever we need, and the system will create also a quotation. And also we can do groups. In groups we can add one by one or upload through an Excel file, and the system will automatically generate contracts for all the group. This is in the certificate creation. Practically all other business lines like general, cars, medical will act the same. Let's go now for claims. In the claims section, All parties will have access to this section. And in this section, we can see the claim, we can see the policy, we can see the person, the claimant itself, and which kind of claims. Okay, we can also filter, same at the other pages, by agency group, but kind of claims. So let me take an old claim and see how we can work on it. So let's take a closed claim. Okay, and I will go to view. Okay, going into the claim, we don't need to go into details about the data of the claim. We can just go and check the discussion done on this claim. So each agent will go, and whenever there is an action done on the system related to this claim, it will be logged here. So this agent on this specific time has done some actions and he did some estimation. Then another agent, and we will see the progress of the status that's going from new to outstanding to audit state and to underpayment state. And then it was closed. And we see here we have some changes in cost. And this is also logged in our logging system where we can see the changes done by each user. And that will allow us to investigate any claim. And also, as a client, you can go in and check the claim process, what is happening with the client, and all the needed details. Okay, and even as a client, we can give you access to go in and add comments and join the discussion to help with the management of the claim. Okay, mainly that's it for the claim side. Going into the claim process is will not be covered in this video. What we're covering here is everything related to the agency access and how they can monitor everything. Okay, for sure, everything can be exported into Excel, and the data can be exported and audited at any time. In the reporting section, we have several reports, and also we have a BI where we can create any kind of reports for you. We have full tracking of all the actions done on the system. So the audit log is very thorough. We can see, for example, this is what I did today. I got into the system and I created a travel certificate. I was from this IP, and I can see all the tables that was edited and the changes done. If I need to go a little bit further in time, and here I can see, for example, this person printed the PDF and he sent it by email. He sent the contract by email, and if I need to go into details, I can see to which email. The same can happen with here. This user has created our third-party API, and he created a contract, and I see the contract created, and that will show every action done on the system in any point of time. So certificate creation is covered, claims and report. We can go also to accounting. We have a full accounting system linked to this to the process of contract creation and claim, and that will help us create invoices, receipt. For example, in the invoicing section, if an insurance company has thousands and thousands of agencies, so at the end of the month, invoicing is a hassle. So in the system, what we can do, we can simply specify, okay, so I need to invoice this month, or I can say last month, or any month I pick. Then I will click generate. Then the system will go in and check all the created contracts, the values, the commissions, and it will create invoices for all these agencies, and we can also send all that by email. So practically within 10 minutes we can generate all the invoices for all the agencies, and we can give them access to this page so they can see their invoices, so they can see everything that is happening on their account, and also they can go in and pay. Let's say this is an invoice, and in this case it's paid. This is an invoice, in this case not paid. Then I can go in and click on pay, and I can input my credit card details, and the invoice will be paid. For sure, there is also a manual way to do that if the payment was done uh, by by cash, then we have to go into a receipt and create a receipt for this agency, pick the agency itself, and check the balance of this agency. Then I can pick the invoice itself. They have several invoice, no, this one invoice, and then I can go and pick the account. Let's say in cash, in dollars. Then I pick the amount and I can create my invoice. So this will help us follow up on all our accounting needs. We can create also statement of accounts from the reports here for all our clients, and we can also give them access to this to the statement of account for themselves to manage everything related to statement of accounts. So this is a quick demo on the system. This will show the main functionality related to travel insurance. As a general options in the system is multilingual, and we can add any kind of languages to the system. It's multi-tenancy. We can have several companies under the same access. We have a reinsurance module to manage all the insurance report and calculations. We have a mobile application that we can customize for each client. We have a full CRM system to manage clients coming into the system, following up on all the quotations provided to these clients. And for sure, our product engine, which is the engine that create all our products in the system in all kind of businesses. Thank you for your time, and hopefully you can join us in future videos to cover other part of the system. Thank you so much.